This 2017 Dutchmen Voltage 4150 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Dutchman is 44 feet 1 inch in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 7, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, skylight, smoke detector, microwave, water heater, slideout, air conditioning, external shower, leveling jacks, and 160 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, front bath, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry/exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Dutchmen Voltage 4150 is 16,760 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.